Alright, I'm here with my last layout, and my background is Pink Fresh Studio, just a little lovely, one fine day. Weekend and didn't get to scrapbook much. Anyway, now I gotta get my grades in because I hadn't done grades since report cards, and those have to be done Tuesday. This class has made it. Anyway, so the paper, and then these pictures. Let's see here, my photo mat is just some cardstock, I believe. Don't have so much to put back into my stash because a whole bunch of phrase types still here. I need to try to make my sweet note. I know what I could do for that is print out that little thing that Mateo wrote me on my phone that I discovered months later. And then these are all phrase. Here's some letters, more phrase. So these are all basically already made titles. I just have to find pictures that work with them. And then those are letter stickers. So those aren't too bad for embellishments, but over here, this one, just a little lovely. I barely use those puffy stickers. Oh boy, and then I have a whole bunch there that I haven't even cut up and put into the containers. Oh boy. So I pretty much use every single layered sticker right here on this one layout. Alright, so my title is Lovely Memories, and those come from the Pink Fresh Studio Puffy Phrase stickers, which I have some of those left too I need to use up. And of course, ginger. So now I'm going to incorporate some of the die cuts that are from the Hip Kit Club Hello Summer die cut pack. I'm just trying to figure out where I could use a little extra something to just kind of finish it off, and I really like how this came together very nicely. It's beautiful. And this is my friend's daughter. They were waiting for the kids to get home from school, off the bus, or waiting for them. Oh no, maybe she was picking up her husband from work, and Bella put her head on the dash of their van, and the way the sun was coming, and made a good picture. So she snapped a picture. That's what this is. So now that I know how it's going to go together, now it's time for glue. I'm the one where I have to lay it out first and then put everything together, which sometimes is a pain because things shift, things move, or you take it all off to lay it back down only for it to not go together quite like it did the first time. That can sometimes be quite irritating. that's why a lot of times I'll take a picture before I take everything off. I got my windows open because it's like 60 degrees outside. So it's chilly in the house right now, but it's exactly 60. And rainy, so I open up the windows, and so the cats are laying in the windows. And it's a nice cool breeze coming in. Let it get some fresh air. And so once I get my title down, that is pretty much going to complete my layout. So when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.